Okay, so this is my presentation for my design project ideas. I have two different ideas that I wanted to run by whoever's listening. The first one is an advertising design for a food truck. I've really always been interested in food and cooking. I love reading cookbooks and magazines and watching the Food Network and the Cooking Channel, and I always thought it would be neat if I had the opportunity to go to culinary art school and become a chef or have a food truck, and I would call it Henrietta's. So this is kind of the first idea is kind of like an advertising design for the food truck. And then my second idea is kind of a promotional design for or web page, I guess, or something, maybe even I don't know, but it would be kind of a promotion for our new STEM lab that we have at Union Point STEAM Academy and how our students use this space. So the first idea is Henrietta's, which is the food truck, and so for the design, I would definitely need to include a menu, our schedule of locations and hours, pictures of our food and food truck, maybe a history of our business. I think the most important thing is going to be the logo design. Maybe include a possible promotion video. And I went to the Atlanta um, food truck website and just kind of flipped through some of these just to kind of see what other food truck websites kind of look like, what their designs are. So that was one for Sweet Auburn Barbecue. And then there's Honeysuckle Gelato. So they all had different designs, but they definitely all included lots of pictures. Definitely their menu. Some of these have a blog. So let's see. And then the last one was Mighty Meatballs. So this was just kind of a way for me to get some different design ideas, and I tried to pick websites that were kind of all different. So that kind of helps me get a little inspired. And then, so that's my first idea. And then the second idea is for like a promotional design for our STEM lab. This year I had the opportunity to help set up a STEM lab at our school with some new technology that we purchased. And I think it would be neat to kind of be able to promote this new space in case other schools are looking to create a STEM lab at their school, maybe get ideas of how we started, how we set up the space and how we got started, maybe some of the vendors that we use. So I definitely would include a vision and a focus and maybe an explanation of what our school focus is, what our objectives are as a STEM school. Maybe include the design process. The students are working on different projects and they have to go through the engineering design process. So maybe include that. Some examples of projects they're working on with pictures and videos, some picture and videos of the space. Maybe interview some of the students and get their feedback about how what they're learning and how they use the space, and maybe even some links to teacher resources. Um, so those were just two ideas that I had. So if any feedback that you could give would be greatly appreciated. Thanks.